Today I will show you how to make a stand for incense sticks. For this we need pista shells and we need colors of green, pink, red and orange. We also need a glue gun. Now I am going to color this. I will show you after coloring. Wow! Now that these are all colored, we could start making the stand. I have colored them green, pink, red and orange. The green ones will be the leaves and the other color ones will be the flower. Now I will separate all these colors. Now I have separated all the colors green, red, orange and pink. Now we can start making the stand. Now you could use any small plate or you could cut it and then you have to use this. Here we will stick all the pista shells and make the flower. Let's start making now. First give one glue drop in the middle of the plate. Now take two pista shells of pink color and keep it in the middle like this. Now keep 4 pink pista shells around the middle ones. It should be all close. I have started sticking orange in the next layer. I have started sticking red around the orange. Now for second layer we have to open the petals a little bit, the pistachio. So it should not be as close like this, it will be open a bit. Like this. So to keep it like this open, you have to apply it not on the base but over here, a bit outside, see? Somewhere over here, then it will stay properly like this open. Do the same to all of them. I will show you after I finish it. Now I am doing green. These represent the leaf of the flower. As you could see, this looks like a flower. You should open these leaves also and keep it. They should stay open. I will arrange all the green and I will show you after finishing. This is how the flower looks. So you could see these little holes, right? In that you keep the incense. hope you liked this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.